Bart discovers a secret skateboard crew at the old skate park behind Springfield Elementary today. They call themselves the Ramp Rebellion, led by mischievous Bart rival, Redline Ricky from Chesterfield. Bart auditions after school, impressing crew with gravity-defying kickflips and reckless enthusiasm, yet Homer's warnings echo. Principal Skinner announces a school rehabilitation ban. No skateboarding on campus grounds effective immediately today. Lisa questions ethics, arguing about freedom, community identity, and adolescent ambition in a world changing. Homer insists on watching barefoot on the couch, accidentally endorsing rebellion with snacks and cheerleaders. Marge worries about Bart's safety while community block party plans quietly unfold at Kwik-E-Mart tonight. Apu funds a neighborhood mural celebrating Springfield's diverse skateboarders, drawing Homer's reluctant approval at dawn. Skinner sets up a hall monitor squad, invoking Blinky the three-eyed cat for legitimacy tonight. Bart's crew hijacks a parade float rehearsal, turning it into a chaotic skate show downtown. Skate crew attempts secret practice. Rival tribes from Shelbyville also arrive, igniting loyalty clashes everywhere. Marge organizes block party games, hoping crosstown friendships bloom through shared hot dogs and laughs. Lisa leads an anti-violence pledge, while Bart negotiates quiet skater truce with Ricky this evening. Homer hosts a pizza balance contest, accidentally becoming mayor of the party's enthusiasm for everyone. Krabappel returns briefly as substitute, scolds Skinner's ban while secretly admiring skateboard resilience from distance. A fire drill forces evacuation, but Bart slips, saving Ricky from a toppled ramp collapse. Town hall meeting erupts. Springfieldians argue loyalties, championing Bart yet fearing anarchy on every corner. Moe's patrons voice support, chanting callbacks from earlier episodes, like "I am smarter than you." Grandpa Abe appears, offering old-school skate secrets and cautionary tales about lost youth to remember. Skinner contends with Chalmers, who demands empathy, sparking a bureaucratic standoff in size from everyone. Bart realizes leadership means responsibility, not dominance. Ricky learns tolerance beyond his speed demon ego tonight. Community mural glows under streetlights. Neighborhood kids collaborate, painting peace symbols between boards and ramps. Homer confesses cliché malarkey about footballs and skateboards, yet his heart helps unite townsfolk tonight. Main plot resolves with Bart earning roster approval. Skinner grudgingly loosens campus rules for now. Lisa writes a speech about loyalty, courage, and community, then edits for punchlines to perform. Final montage shows Bart's crew skating through town, friends cheering from Moe's to Mount Springfield. A running gag repeats. Homer's slice-of-life commentary breaks tension then reaffirms heartfelt moments for everyone. Springfield Community Center hosts a skate showcase, with supporting performers including Itchy and Scratchy tonight. Ricky saves Lisa, Skinner saves reputation, Bart saves friendship, town cheers in chorus for everyone. Final line shows Bart smiling, skate clatter echoing, "Ay caramba," community endures with humor together.